Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to close your PayPal account on your phone. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your PayPal app. You can get this thing done with PayPal app, or you can also make use of web to access your account. So it's going to open up your PayPal account. You can get this, you can close your account with the app, or you can also close your account on the web. So it's as simple as that. Just follow the step and you're going to get it done. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your app. When you open up your app, click on this man icon right here. It's going to open up like this. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and click on close your account. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you can do here is to simply click on close account. So we are sorry to see you go. Your account is now closed. It's as simple as that. And you will be automatically sign out from the app. Simple as that. So this is how to close your PayPal account on your phone. And you can also use this method to close your account on web. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.